Hi everyone, I am Brittany and this is Tackle It with Brit. In today's video, I'm going to be focusing on doing a semi-deep clean of the kitchen. I need to wipe down all of the counters, the appliances, and the sink needs a deep scrub and clean. Thank you all for joining me in today's video. It has been a while since I wiped down each of the cabinets, so I am taking time to do that on this day to wipe down the top cabinets and the bottom cabinets, just giving them a good refresh and shine. When I was cleaning the stainless steel around the stove and the microwave, I was spraying the spray directly onto the rag, and when I went to clean the refrigerator, I decided to spray the product directly onto the fridge, and it was way more greasy. So just a tip that I found is more helpful is to spray the stainless steel cleaner directly onto your rag or paper towel and then wipe down the surface versus spraying the product directly on the surface. Just a little tip that I found was more helpful the more I was cleaning on this day. There is something so satisfying about having a nice, clean, refreshed, shiny sink and lighting a wonderful, cozy candle. The last and final step to a clean kitchen is to vacuum and mop the floors. Luckily, I have this 2-in-1 system that mops and vacuums at the same time, so it is very convenient and cuts down on time, leaving the floors extra sparkly clean. As we come to the end of this kitchen cleaning video, I wanted to thank each and every one of you for watching. Hope you're all doing well. Take care. Bye.